One of the architects of Queensland's anti-bikie legislation has resigned as the state's solicitor-general. Walter Sofronoff handed in his notice as bikie clubs lodged a High Court appeal against the anti-gang laws. Francine Norton reports.
After 9 years as the state's top lawyer, Walter Sofronoff is bowing out.
He's been a great Solicitor-General, providing both advice and strategic advice dealing with the important matters of ridding the state of Queensland from criminal gangs.
The opposition wants an explanation, but the government says it's a matter for Mr Sofronoff.
With the current Attorney-General we're stuck with, we cannot afford to lose some of our best and brightest minds in this state.
The QC presided over some of the biggest cases involving the state and helped design the controversial anti-bikie legislation.
Well, he provided the advice, indeed was almost an advocate for the laws that were passed.
The resignation coincides with the United Motorcycle Council lodging appeal papers in the High Court.
We've got to fight it. The governor's left us no choice but to stand up and fight for our rights.
I want to live in a free society where I'm judged for what I do, not who I associate with.
The appeal is on the grounds the legislation compromises the institutional integrity of the Queensland courts, infringes on freedom of speech and the right to associate, and breaches Australia's obligations to international treaties.
Of course, criminal enterprises would seek to keep their criminal operations of extortion and standover tactics and drug production and distribution going.
It'll be several months before the High Court hears the appeal, but the legal team hopes the case will be expedited given the number of people facing charges. Librarian Sally Couther is among those sweating on the High Court outcome.
A mother with 3 children and have worked all my life, can be targeted.
Lawyers say the appeal may be amended to include laws due to take effect mid-year. Francine Norton, ABC News.